Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something that can completely transform how you learn English. Most people think English is difficult because they focus on grammar, memorization, and traditional textbook learning. But the truth is much simpler. Your brain is not failing you. You are simply using the wrong method. Your brain has natural learning patterns, and when you understand them, English becomes easier, faster, and even enjoyable. The tricks you are about to hear are used by top speakers and fast learners around the world. They are not magic. They are psychology. So, if you are someone who wants to learn English faster, speak confidently, and finally stop struggling, this video may be the moment everything changes for you. Let us begin. Trick number 1. Learn in short, high-focus sessions. Your brain is a sprinter, not a marathon runner. It learns best in short, intense bursts of attention. After 20 minutes, focus naturally drops and stress increases. This is why studying for 2 hours straight feels difficult, and you forget most of it later. So start using short sessions. 20 minutes of study. 5 minutes of rest. Repeat this cycle. You will feel lighter, learn faster, and retain information far longer. This trick works because your brain loves rhythm, not pressure. Trick number 2. Attach emotions to what you learn. Your brain stores emotional memories much faster than logical information. That is why you remember childhood moments, intense experiences, or powerful movie scenes, but cannot remember vocabulary lists. To learn English faster, make your brain feel something. Instead of learning frustrated as only a meaning, connect it to a moment. You can say, "I was frustrated when my phone stopped working during an important call." This emotional involvement makes your memory stronger. Emotion is the glue of learning. Trick number 3. Start speaking before you feel ready. Most students keep waiting for the perfect sentence, the perfect grammar, or the perfect confidence. But here is the truth. Confidence does not appear before you speak. Confidence appears because you speak. When you talk with mistakes, you train your brain to overcome fear, to build rhythm, and to recognize patterns. Even one sentence a day builds fluency. Do not wait for the right time. Speaking early accelerates your progress dramatically. Trick number 4. Surround your brain with English input. Your brain prioritizes things that appear repeatedly in your environment. If English appears everywhere in your day, your brain will treat it as important. Change your phone language to English. Watch English content with subtitles. Read short English posts. Think in English during small moments. You are not studying English. You are living in English. When your brain sees English constantly, learning becomes automatic. Trick number 5. Use the spacing effect for long-term learning. Your brain does not remember information that is repeated too quickly. Reviewing something 20 times in one day creates short-term memory. But reviewing 3 times across 3 days creates long-term memory. So learn a word today. Review it tomorrow. Review again after 3 days. Review after 1 week. This psychological pattern is one of the strongest memory techniques known to science. Trick number 6. Learn through context instead of translation. Translation slows down your thinking. Whenever you translate, it creates a mental traffic jam. The secret to fluency is understanding words in context. For example, instead of memorizing the word reluctant, learn it in a sentence like, "I was reluctant to join the meeting because I was not prepared." Context is king. It gives meaning, emotion, and clarity. This is how your brain naturally learns languages. Trick number 7. Use visual imagination to make words stick. Your brain thinks in images, not words. So when you learn a new word, create a visual picture. If you learn the word chaotic, imagine a messy room with everything scattered. If you learn the word delighted, imagine someone smiling with joy. The stronger the image, the stronger the memory. This technique makes difficult words easy to remember. Trick number 8. Speak out loud for faster activation. Silent learning only activates a small part of your brain. But speaking aloud activates your hearing, your mouth muscles, your breathing, and your cognitive processing. When you speak aloud, you strengthen the brain pathways needed for fluency. This is why reading aloud for 10 minutes daily is far more effective than reading silently for 1 hour. Speak loudly, clearly, and confidently, even if no one is around. Trick number 9. Use shadowing to train like a native speaker. Shadowing is one of the most powerful fluency techniques. Here is how it works. Play a sentence. Listen to it. Immediately repeat it with the same tone, accent, speed, and emotion. This forces your brain to copy natural rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence flow. Within a few weeks, your speaking becomes smoother and more natural. Shadowing trains your brain like a real conversation. Trick number 10. Teach what you learn to others. There is a psychological phenomenon called the teaching effect. Your brain understands information deeply when it believes you must teach it to someone else. So after learning something new, explain it. To a friend, to a sibling, to yourself in the mirror. When you teach, you reinforce memory and improve confidence. Teaching is learning at a higher level. Trick number 11. Eliminate the fear of making mistakes. Fear shuts down your brain. When you worry about being judged or making mistakes, your mind becomes stiff and unable to learn. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are lessons. Each mistake creates a new correction in your brain. Instead of avoiding mistakes, chase them. Each one is a step toward fluency. Fluent speakers are not perfect. They are fearless. Trick number 12. Repeat with variety to deepen understanding. Your brain does not like monotony. If you repeat something the same way every time, your mind becomes bored and stops absorbing. Use variety. Use the same word in 5 different sentences. Listen to it in a podcast. Read it in an article. Use it in conversation. Write it in your notebook. Variety creates stronger memory networks. Trick number 13. Create English moments in your daily life. You do not need a formal environment to learn English. Life itself can become your classroom. Think in English while walking. Describe your day in English. Ask yourself questions in English. Practice replies for daily situations. Talk to yourself when no one is watching. These small English moments build automatic fluency. You begin speaking without overthinking. Trick number 14. Reward yourself to build positive learning habits. Your brain repeats anything that feels rewarding. If learning English feels stressful, you will avoid it. But if learning feels rewarding, your brain will crave more. After every study session, give yourself a small reward. Watch a video you enjoy. Eat your favorite snack. Take a break. Celebrate your progress. Rewards create positive learning habits. Trick number 15. Build a strong English speaker identity. This is the most powerful psychological trick. Stop calling yourself a learner. Start calling yourself a speaker. When your identity changes, your habits follow. When you see yourself as a speaker, you think differently, act differently, and learn differently. Identity is the foundation of confidence. If you believe it, you will become it. If you use even 5 of these psychological tricks, your English will improve faster than ever before. But if you use all 15 consistently, your fluency will transform completely. Your brain is more powerful than you think. You just need to train it the right way. Keep learning. Keep growing. And remember, the only limit to your English is the limit you place on your mind. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful English content. Thank you for watching.